Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The third pathway for the oxygenation of arachidonic acid is epoxygenase pathway. This is the structure of arachidonic acid. Arachidonic acid is get oxygenated by the isoenzyme P450 into the oxygenated product known as ETTs, that is epoxy trienoic acids, ETTs. So for example, this is one of the ETT, and this ETT is known as 5,6 ETT because at position 5 and position 6 they are bonded with each other with one oxygen. So different ETTs are possible. For example 5,6 ETT, 6,9 ETT, 11,12 ETT, 14,15 epoxy, that is ETT. When oxygen is bonded with in between at position 5 and 6, this is 5,6 ETT. When in between 6 and 9, this is 6,9 epoxy. When in between oxygen is connected between carbon number 11 and carbon number 12, this is known as epoxy ETT 11, 12 and so on. These ETTs are highly unstable and they are get metabolized into dihydroxy eicosanoic acid, which is known as DHET. For example, 5,6 DHET, 9,6, 11, 12, 14, 15, so on. ETs and DHET both incorporating into the phospholipids, and there is no known receptor for these autocoids. The last pathway is isoprostanes. These are the prostaglandin stereoisomers. अब प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन में डबल बॉन्ड भी है, इसमें एसिमेट्रिक कार्बन्स भी है, इसमें सिंगल कार्बन भी है. तो lot of stereoisomer are possible. There is no need of, this is very interesting that there is no need of COX, that is prostaglandin synthase enzyme for the formation of isoprostanes. Isoprostanes की synthesis के लिए there is no need of COX enzyme. That's why aspirin and other NSAID or steroid don't affect the formation of isoprostane. The peroxidation of arachidonic acid by free radical causes epimerization when arachidonic acid are still stratified with phospholipid. जब arachidonic acid फॉस्फोलिपिड के साथ अभी तक अटैच है और फ्री रेडिकल एराकिडोनिक एसिड के साथ रिएक्शन कर जाए तो इसमें इपिमेराइजेशन होता है, इपिमर आइसोमर बनते हैं, एंड दिस स्टीरियो आइसोमर आर स्टोर्ड इन दी सेल मेम्ब्रेन. तो कितने टाइप के आइसोमर मुमकिन है? ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर मुमकिन है पीजी में क्योंकि इसमें डबल बॉन्ड्स हैं. ऑप्टिकल आइसोमर मुमकिन है क्योंकि इसमें एकाइरल कार्बन है. कॉन्फॉर्मेशनल आइसोमर मुमकिन है क्योंकि इसमें सिंगल बॉन्ड है, और इपिमेराइजेशन भी इसमें मुमकिन है. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग.